Fireworks, which cost 2 for £20. Got fireworks safety. There's some sparklers at the bottom. I think this is. So what you get is 2 rockets, 11 fireworks, 3 short tubes, and 1 multi-shot. 21 shot.
21 shot.
It's got 21 fireworks in one.
21 shots it fires.
21 fireworks go up.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I think we did this the last time.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Was it Twilight last time?
No, but
it's virtually the same, isn't it?
Yeah, but some of
It
them,
comes with
some of
so
them are the
many
same.
fireworks. That one looks nice.
Okay, next one. How many you got left?
We got 1,
You
6.
This one.
6. We got 6 left.
Yeah, but you can't light the. You can't light. You can try. All right then. So what's that one
One's
called?
enough for me.
Spinkle.
Spinkle. Let's try the Spinkle. Tesco cheap fireworks. So far, 4. Is it 4 that's failed? 4 out of 17.
Now we're gonna light the Spinkle. Yeah.
One. Ew. Yeah. Well, it's still going. This one goes for a while. That was nice.
Now I'm going to light a sprinkle fountain in the greenhouse.
Let's see what this looks like. You ready? It's going to go all fountainy. Okay, come on. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It looks like it's got electricity going all the way around it. That looks cool. This keeps going. Yeah.
Oh, that was a good clap.
That was cool. You look like there were electrics going off in the greenhouse.
I did it. 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 I did it.
That's good. Took you a while to get.